Don't allow your case to stall from a lack of understanding of medical facts. Treat confusion with clarity by utilizing the emergency medical expert witness services of Dr. Edward Mallory, bringing over 25 years of on-the-job emergency medicine experience into the courtroom. Dr. Mallory provides insight that's not just academic, but grounded in real-world, hands-on experience and has reviewed numerous charts for both plaintiff and defendant attorneys. Board certified in emergency medicine and residency-trained with degrees from Auburn, USF, and A.T. Still University, and hands-on training through residency. He supports legal teams with honest, timely, objective expert interpretation as an emergency medical expert witness. Dr. Mallory is able to interpret medical records across the country in all 50 states in a comprehensive, thorough, unbiased manner, ensuring that things remain crystal clear even during a heated trial. Work with an expert who treats medicine and the law with the same amount of precision and care. Contact Dr. Mallory to be your emergency medical expert witness by calling 813-997-1241 and visit emergencyexpertforyou.com.